go. Guys, welcome back. Week 4, day 1. Today we're going to start with a new topic. And as always, remember to place the dates in the very right corner and leave an empty space, okay, for the topic. Now, what is the topic for today? We will see. First of all, as usual, we are going to define some things, okay? And the first thing that we're going to define is metric system. What is the metric system? Have you ever heard the words metric system, or in Spanish, sistema métrico? Have you ever heard about that? No? Okay, so a metric system is a measuring system. That will help us, okay? It will help us make conversions, okay? Make conversions from one unit to another. There are different ways of doing these conversions. Today, we're going to learn an easy one. This easy conversion needs that you learn 7 steps. Okay, it's not that you're going to do step 1 is this, step 2. No, it's like a ladder, like a stair. Okay, so we're going to work with a little stair with 7 steps. Middle one is the main unit. We got 4 now. 5, 6, and 7. What are the main units? Okay, we have units for different things. Okay, so that's what we're going to talk about right now. We have units. We're going to call them main units. And what are these main units? We have main units. We have 3 main units, okay? We have 3 main units, which are for length, for capacity, and for mass. Okay, now length is a measurement that you would use for a specific distance. Okay, length is for distance. Capacity is for amount that can fit in a container, any type of container. Okay, that's capacity. And liquid, usually it's liquid, and mass is for the amount that can be contained in a container, okay, but solid, okay, that's the difference. One is liquid and the other one is solid. Now I'm going to type over here the main units, okay. So the main unit for mass is the meter. No, I'm going to do it over here first. For length, sorry. So for length, the unit is the meter. The main unit is the meter. For capacity, it is the liter. And we're going to abbreviate it, meter with a small m and liter with a capital L, okay? Meter is M, liter is L, that's for capacity. And for mass, in the metric system, it is the gram. And we're gonna abbreviate it with a small g, okay, lowercase g. Those are the main units, okay? Now, or let's talk about the stairway, okay? Because we're talking about a stair. So like I told you, the middle, number 7, that belongs to the meter, but it also belongs to the gram. And it also belongs to the liter. Okay, every single step from here down, it becomes smaller units. And from here up, it becomes with greater units. Okay, so meter, grams, and liters are in the center. Now the next one are decimeters, deciliters, no, decigrams, sorry, decigrams, we're gonna do it in order, and deciliters, okay? So the second stair going down is decimeters, decigrams, deciliters. Every single one of these stairs counts as 10 units, either 10 units smaller or 10 units bigger, okay? So I'm starting with those. Now, I'm going with the next one. The next ones are centimeters. You have heard about that. Your ruler has centimeters or centimeters, centigrams, and centiliters, okay? So from meters to centimeters, you got 100 because you got 10 times 10 is 100, okay? So it's a multiplication or it's either a division. So it goes 10 and another 10, so 10 times 10, 100. So you got from 1 meter, you have 100 centimeters, okay? The same thing goes from 1 gram, you got 100 centigrams. And the last one that we're gonna be seeing, because there are a lot of more, we're gonna see millimeter, milligram, and milliliter. Those are our small units, okay? Meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. So you have 1, 2, 3. So that will be 10 to the cube. That is 1,000. 1,000 millimeters, 1,000 milligrams in 1 gram, and 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. Those are the small units. Now let's go with the big units. Now the big units are going up. We got, now these are with capital letters. Decameter, because it's a capital D, decagram, and decaliter, okay? Those are the big units on the first step going up. Next one we have hectoliter. I don't know why that is so big. Hectoliter, and this is small. There, hectoliter, hectogram, and hectoliter. In this case, both of them are capital letters, okay? You can see it there. And the very last one that we have is the biggest one of them all, which are kilometer or kilometer, kiloliter, also with both capitals, or kilogram would be kilogram, the next one, and kiloliter, both capitals, okay? Those are the only ones that have both capitals. These 3, kiloliter, hectoliter, and decaliter. So I'm gonna write over here what does that mean? What does it mean? The capital K is kilo. It means 1,000. Kilo means 1,000. The capital H is hecto. Okay. The capital D is deca. It means 10. Hecto means 100. Now, small d is deci. Also means 10. Capital C, small c means centi, means 100 as well. Small m means milli. Okay, with double L. Milli with a double L. And it means 1,000 as well. So in that way, you will be able to determine what do you have. Then the other ones are either meter, gram, or liter, okay? I'm going to place over here a little dash so you can know that it is with something else. Okay. So you don't get confused with the M of meter. Okay. Or with the, with the M of liters and with the of meter, the one that can make you mistaken. Then we got length meter, capacity meter, and mass is gram. Okay. This is the very first part that we're going to see because we don't have no more time. We're not going to explain anything else. This is it. This is what we're going to see today. Tomorrow, we're going to see how we use this stairway. Okay. We're going to use it moving a decimal. Basically, that's what we're going to be seeing. It will be really easy to make conversions in a metric system. Do you have any question about this? No? Okay, so this is the topic for today. Tomorrow, we're going to place the topic name and we're going to work with some exercises.